We recently heard news that the Huawei Nova 2i has become the best-selling mid-tier smartphone in Nepal. With the right hardware, software and price, the Nova 2i has been successful in capturing the hearts of people of Nepal. But how has the phone aged? Well, let us find the answer to that question in this review. Hey guys, I'm not here for phones in Nepal and this is my long-term review of the Huawei Nova 2i. So without any further delay, let us get straight into the video. If you have watched our Huawei Nova 2i review, you'll probably know we love this device. Since then, the phone has triumphed in market sales and has metamorphosed into the best there is. And adding to that is the fact that the device received a price drop recently. The Nova 2i, which was priced at Rs 33,900, has been slashed to just Rs 30,900. The phone, even without the price drop, was a sweet deal. And now that the price has been dropped, the phone is an absolute steal. The phone, since the last time we reviewed it, has ameliorated. The phone has received a software update and now runs EMUI 8.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. And with this comes new feature including Face Unlock. To use this feature, all you have to do is go to Settings, select Face Unlock, choose from either a PIN or a password and then tap on Continue. The phone will start scanning your face and after that you will be directed to some options which is better left as default. After that you will easily be able to unlock the phone with just a glance. It works very well even in low light situation, which is very nice. Besides the Face Unlock, the phone also has received other small tweaks that make using the device more appealing. The camera also has gotten better with improved bokeh mode. It also gets an interesting mode called the AR lens. It is a fun little way to take some amazing pictures. And talking about the performance of the phone, it has taken a bit of a hit. It is not as zippy as it used to be. This may largely have to do with the thousands of files I have stored on this device. The battery life on the other hand stays relatively same with 5 to 6 hours of on-screen time. So in conclusion, the Huawei Nova 2i has aged very nicely. I still love the full view display, quad camera setup and the features the phone offers. The Face Unlock is another great addition I have come to adore about it. The phone, even by today's standard, is one of the better mid-tier smartphones under Rs 30,000 here in Nepal. So that's about it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full written review of the Huawei Nova 2i is available at our website. Links will be down in the description. As always guys, it's been me, Samrat for Phones in Nepal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.